Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, introduce Asltw Cute Fridge Deodorizer, Dolphin Fridge Cleaner, highlight features or overview summary are include. With its compact design and cute dolphin shape, it not only freshens up your fridge but also adds a touch of style to your kitchen. This fridge deodorizer uses baking soda to absorb and neutralize odors, providing long-lasting freshness. Simply add baking soda to the deodorizer and place it in your fridge or freezer for continuous freshness. Unlike traditional fridge deodorizers that need to be thrown away after use, this deodorizer is reusable. Once the baking soda has lost its effectiveness, simply remove and replace it with a fresh batch. The Asltw Cute Fridge Deodorizer is incredibly easy to use. Just remove the dolphin-shaped deodorizer from its package, add baking soda, and place it inside your fridge or freezer. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is. This fridge deodorizer not only eliminates odors but also helps to keep your food fresher for longer. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.